Good morning students, welcome back. This is the second lesson of module 4, cost output relationship. I divided it into two parts. Let us understand that what is in this first part. Cost function. Cost function is a derived function. It is derived from the production function, which describes the efficient methods of production at any one time. In other words, the production function specifies the technical relationship between inputs and the level of output. So, cost will vary with changes in the level of output, nature of production function, or factor prices. So symbolically, we may write the cost function as C is equal to function of XTP, where C is total cost, X is output, T is technology, PF is the price of factors. The total cost is an increasing function of output. The clause ceteris paribus implies that all other factors which determine the cost are constant. If these factors change, they will affect the cost. Since no output is possible without an input, an increase in the factor prices, ceteris paribus, will lead to the increase in cost. Of all the determinants of cost, the cost output relationship is considered as the most important one because it is subject to faster and more frequent changes. The relationship between cost and output is analyzed with respect to both short run and long run. Short run cost output. Short run is a period where firm produces its output within a given capacity. Its cost is divided between fixed and variable cost. Production is varied by changing the variable cost. In the short run, production is subject to law of variable proportion. I'll just explain it to you how it is calculated. When the output increases, see, this is total table. In the first column, we have shown the quantity. Second, total fixed cost. Third, total variable cost, and total cost is equal to TFC plus TVC, then marginal cost, then average fixed cost, then average variable cost, average total cost. So now the quantity of the production increases, fixed cost is same, that is 100, variable cost is changing. Now total cost is the addition of TFC and TVC. Marginal cost is the difference between two total cost. Average fixed cost is equal to TFC minus Q, that is quantity. Average variable cost is equal to TVC minus Q, and ATC is equal to ABC and AFC. This is the table that you have to understand. Okay. The next concept is total fixed cost. It remains same, that is rupees 100 throughout the production. Total variable cost changes from 0 to 515. When there is no production, TVC is 0. As the output increases, TVC also increases. Total cost is equal to TFC plus TVC, which also increases as the output increases. Marginal cost is the additional cost to produce an additional unit of output, which is equal to the change in TVC or change in total cost. Average fixed cost, it equal to TFC divided by Q. It declines continuously till the last unit of the output. Average variable cost declines till the output is 5, and thereafter it increases as the more units are produced. Average total cost, that is ATC, is equal to AFC plus AVC. It declines till the 6th unit and thereafter it increases. This is what you have to understand in the part 1. This is the explanation about this table. See, look at the table. The total variable cost is rising, total cost is rising, total variable cost is rising, marginal cost is declining. This is what is the explanation that is given. Okay, so here what you have to understand is that what are the various types of cost. Okay, thank you.